Hi, my name is Sanat Biswal, also known as the accountant guy, and in this video I am going to demonstrate how you can utilize this template to track your inventory for your small business. So first of all, we have got an inventory portfolio on top which has three views, that is the inventory setup, the inventory portfolio and the inventory status. In the inventory setup section, you will have again three classifications of inventory that are divided into raw materials, work in progress and finished goods. So I have got two inventory added up over here in the raw material section. So for each added inventory, you can see that we have an opening balance. So this indicates the starting balance of the inventory as on the beginning of the financial year. Then we have the opening number of units. Then we have a valuation principle set. So this is again like FIFO, LIFO and WAC valuation principle. If you do not understand this, you can leave it as it is. It won't hamper any of your further reporting. Then we have a reorder level. So this is basically the level of units that you want to have when you want to reorder this entire inventory as on date. So basically we have set reorder level of 60 units for wheat and 10 units for corn. We'll understand about this in the next view. Then we have got a percentage. So this indicates how much of this particular inventory is in comparison to the total inventory that we have. So we have got three classifications: raw material, work in progress and finished goods. So if I open finished goods, you can see something over here as well. Now let me help you along with the inventory portfolio, but before that, if you want to quickly add an inventory, you can simply click on this add inventory button over here. Once you click on this, it will automatically put an inventory in the no classification window. So over here, what you can do is you can simply click on these three dots and move it to any of the specific category of your choice. So let's say I want to put it in the work in progress section. So once I drop it over there, it will automatically add it under that view. Then you can click on this pencil icon and start putting in the values that we just discussed. Okay, so I'm going to quickly delete this. So once this is out of view, we will proceed to the inventory portfolio part. In the inventory portfolio section, what we have is the inventory value at the end of the transaction period, then the number of units that is available at the end of the day. So after all the transactions of purchases and sales are made, which you will be understanding in the transactions view at the bottom, you will find this inventory value getting populated over here. And then we have a reorder status level. So basically, if you remember in the inventory setup for the raw materials, for the wheat, we had set a reorder level of 60 units. So if we drop below 60 units at any given point of time, it will give us a message that we have a low stock and we need to reorder this inventory. So if you see that we have got in the wheat part, we have got the number of units available as 30 units. So basically this means that after all the transactions are carried out, we are now at 30 units, so which is below the reorder level, and that is why we need to reorder this particular inventory to refill the inventory to the reorder level. And for the corn, we have like 70 units available, and if you see the corn section, we have got an inventory level of 10 units. So we are way beyond the inventory level. That is why it is giving that message that we have this item available in surplus and do not need to reorder as of now. So this is how you can quickly get a glance of all the inventory under the three different categories and understand if you have sufficient units of this particular inventory available or not. Then we have the inventory status. So this is basically the status of where the inventory is as of now in terms of the transit, or has it been received or not, or whatever it is. So we have divided the status into in transit, in progress, not sent, and all the different status over here. You can also edit this status as per your choice. You can click on this and edit whatever you wish to edit. If you want to add a new status, you can simply click on this plus button over here. It will automatically add a new status asking you to add a new group. You can follow the same principle for all the three views that we discussed. So basically, if you see in transit is signaling 1, this means among the purchase and sale there is one inventory which is in transit status. So if you quickly open this, you will find that we made a corn purchase which was of 50 units of a $500 amount. It was made on 26th of August and this is currently in transit. So if you want to move it to different status, you can simply click on this three dot and put it under any status. It will automatically get added under that status. Okay, so I'm going to quickly put it back to where it was. And if you also see in the not sent, it is also indicating 1. So if I open the sales part, it is currently under the not sent status. So this is how you can quickly track the inventory status in terms of where is it right now. So we have discussed everything that we need to discuss in the inventory portfolio. Now let's quickly jump to the transaction section. The transaction section is quite simple. We have got the purchases, sales, and we have also got the profit and loss from the sale and purchase of the inventory. So in the purchases, what we have is the current date, and it is again divided into months. So the later the month, it will appear on the top. So if I add more dates over here, it will quickly auto populate. So I'm going to quickly add something over here. So if I select this and if I quickly add, let's say something from September month, so I'm going to select this. I'm going to jump into September and select September 20. You can see that it automatically got bifurcated into two different sections. Now this is indicating that this transaction was made in the last 30 days. So this indicates how you can view this date. So if I put it to some other date, maybe I'm selecting July 5, it now gave me July and August. So this is how you will have the transactions getting bifurcated into different months. Then we have the description. You can add the description over here. Then you can select the account. So if I click on this, it will automatically ask me to select any of the accounts. So we have got like wheat, corn, bread, whatever inventory we have added, you can select this. Then we have got the number of units. You can place the units over here since it is a purchase. Then we have got purchase price. Then this will automatically populate from whatever price and units you will put. And then finally we have an inventory status. So once you click on this, you have all the status of the inventory of this particular transaction that you can assign to. You can also edit this, as we discussed. If you click on this three dot, it will give an option to edit this status as well. So this is how you can add a transaction in purchase. Now a quick action button is to click on this buy inventory button over here, which will automatically do the same for you. Once you click on this, it will automatically add a purchase to the current date that you have. So you can utilize this quick action button to add anything of your choice. So on a similar note, you can also utilize the sales part to tap into any sales of the inventory that you have made. Now we will quickly jump to the profit loss section. In the profit loss, for any of the sales that you make, you have to put the purchase price of the particular sale. So if you see over here, let's say we made a sale of bread for $40, and let's say the cost of manufacturing this bread was $10. So you can put $10 over here. Now bread is the finished good over here, and we made purchase of different raw materials. So you can evaluate your total cost of the finished goods, or even if you are purchasing the finished good and selling the finished good, you can put the purchase price over here, and then it will automatically calculate the profit loss for you. Okay, so this is like $40 less $10, which is $30, multiplied by 30 units, which is giving a $900 profit. So this is how you can utilize this template to track your inventory and assign the status and other things that we just discussed to know where your inventory is currently right now. So I hope this explanation was clear to you. I will be attaching this entire video description in the instructions below. If you have any queries, reach out to me at notionformyuse@gmail.com. I'll be happy to assist you on this, and I hope you got this explanation clear. Thank you.